Hi guys, welcome to this class. Today in this class we are going to discuss about acids and bases. Only just two topics about acids and bases. Before the introduction of theories, scientists have found that acids tasted like that, bases tasted like that, and then from those variations they divide those to acid and base. So what are those are? Acid. Actually from the theories, what we know that acid is? Yes, acid is a substance which has H plus ions. But here, first of all, before the introduction of theories, what we have the definition of acids. Acids are the substances which are sour to taste. The taste of them are sour like lemon. We all drank lemon juice, right? So, acids are substances which are sour to taste. They are very sour to taste. And then, turn blue litmus to red. If we keep a blue litmus in the acid, it turns to red. That was the change scientists have secondly observed in an acid. And then reacts with bases to form H2O and salt. They react with bases. We all know bases like potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, zinc hydroxide, like that bases are there, right? So these acids reacts with bases to form water and salt. To form the drinking water with whatever it may be, they reacts with bases to form H2 and salt. Okay, and next, liberate H2 with active metals. They react with these bases, right, to form H2O and soil. From those only, they liberate H2 gas. They release H2 gas and with active metals. They combine with active metals and release the H2 gas. So this is how we remember this. And next, at last we have the acid. This acid is a good conductor of electricity in aqueous solution. Okay, acid is a good conductor of electricity in aqueous solution. When if we in movies we can say like acid, if we had some, if in acid there are so many impurities we can't see. Yes, if that acid is poured on our skin will be changed its shape and it will be a lot of pain for us. So that was the 5 properties we have in an acid. Once again let us revise this. Acids are substances which are sour to taste. Very sour to taste. Remember, example for this is lemon. But lemon is not the acid. In lemon there will be some acid. Thus acid is the reason for the lemon to be sour. And then turn blue litmus to red litmus. You can remember that BRA. BRA. What is this BRA? B means blue litmus, R means red litmus. Blue to red is acid. BRA. Remember that. BRA. Remember that. It is also will be very useful for you. And next, react with bases to form H2O and salt. This is common for both of these. Acids reacts with bases. Okay. Acids reacts with bases to form water and salt. That's it, we can write. H2O or water and salt. Okay, this is how reacts with bases to form H2O and salt. And that's the third point. And next, liberates H2 gas. I have to keep arrow mark here, which denotes gas. Liberate H2 gas with active metals. Remember this. We already know that by the coming next theories, before this introduction, after this introduction, in theories of Lewis theory or something theories, they first tell acids are the substances which has H plus ions. So you have to remember that, and you think that H plus ions are H2 gas. So it liberates H2 gas with active metals, very active and energetic metals, like okay. Liberates H2 with active metals. And at last, in electricity, they are very good conductors now. Good conductors of electricity in aqueous solution. That's why we get shock if we keep acids in the aqueous electricity and we keep our hand, we get shocked. Don't try it at your home, okay? So these are the 5 properties which we have in acid. These are the main 5 properties. We have other 5 properties or no need that. Like methyl orange, if we dip methyl orange something color came, phenyl orange something color came. That doesn't matter. The first 5 main points are up till there in acid. And now, what is base? What is this base? In the theories, we can know that bases are the substances which have OH minus ions, right? And liberate H2 gas. So these bases are those substances, which are bitter to taste. For example, what is the example for bitter? Very bitter. I don't know the name in English. We tell in Telugu, kakarkaya. It will be very bitter to taste, right? So, like that, in that something base will be added, and salt will be also somewhat bitter, right? NaOH. NaOH is a base, so it tastes as what? Bitter. And those solutions of bases are soapy to touch. We can't hold them, they will be easily slipped from our hands. So, they are soapy to touch. What is the first thing? Bitter to taste. Here, sour to taste. Sour and bitter. Please don't think these are opposites. But in learning acids and bases, think them as opposites. Sour is opposite to bitter. Think like that. And then, soapy to touch. Here they didn't give how they look like or soapy to touch, because if we touch any acid, it will be harmful for us. Please don't try those now. And at third one, turn red litmus to blue. Here it turns red litmus to the blue litmus. So what you have to remind is that R, blue, B, RBB. Here BRA and RBB. Very simple, man. You have to remember these two and these two and these two, and at last these. Definitely we will get marks. And at last seconds reacts with acids to form H2O and salt. Same now here and here. Here acids, so they react with bases. Here bases, so reacts with acids to form H2O and salt. H2O and salt. This H2O is also called as water. That's it. And at last, these are also good conductors of electricity in aqueous solution. Same points, nothing to worry about. What is the first thing? We are very sour to taste. Second thing, litmus changing. And the third, react with bases to form H2O and salt. And at fourth, liberate H2 gas with active metals. And last, at 5, good conductors of electricity in aqueous solution. So these are the 5 properties of acids. And now when we come to bases are the substances which are very bitter to taste, soapy to touch, and react with acids to form salt and water. And at last we have good conductors of electricity in aqueous solution. So this is about acids and bases properties, or just only and only 5 properties we have in these 2 properties. So guys, I think you have enjoyed this class. In next class, I will come here with some more new topics. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. See you.